What's up? I am back. It is wonderful to be back again. I go by the name Alpha Wolf Forex, or you can simply call me Mohomutsi. You are watching Currency Market Execution, your channel with a difference. Leaders in Forex trading and education. We are going to be analyzing the market today as we usually do every Sunday. We are always here doing the pre-market analysis, and wow, oh wow, last week pre-market analysis were on point, the same as the previous week also, which was on point, and I trust and I believe that you profited and then you made a lot of profit and you collected a lot of points from that. It's been a very profitable week when we are talking about signals and all our different groups. Matter of fact, it has been brilliant, and I will take you through what happened in the charts. Probably you're asking yourself what it is on the screen. This is Profit Machine, our EA, which is causing waves all around, which is causing waves. We've seen results, we've seen it. And by the way, before I forget, please do follow us on social media. I am on Instagram. You can see the link in the screen or the username in the screen, and I actually back onto running the CME Instagram personally myself, so I took over and I'm running that. So you're going to be seeing a lot of me. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos. I'm going to be interacting with you most of the time through that, and I'm also in my personal Instagram. I'm back on Instagram. I've just been stagnant on there. I gave somebody to run the accounts, and including the Facebook's one, but I'm just back now. I'm going to be doing it myself. So when you are communicating with the pages, just know that you are talking to me, and I will make it to my best of my ability to give you content, to always share with you educational material and things that will bring impact and make a difference into your life. And back to what's on the screen. This is Profit Machine, which makes money while you sleep. It only takes less than a minute to set it up, and the results and the performance has been unbelievable. The pre-orders are still open. The pre-orders are still open until the 20th, and the 20th is the official launch. So we were giving it actually for basically close to nothing before the launch, collecting pre-orders, and a lot of you guys who have purchased the robot, I thank you very much for your trust, and I am sure you already made your money back right now with the feedback that I've received. It is quite amazing. So Profit Machine, it is out. That's a robot that I've been very excited with. It takes trades for you. You don't have to know to analyze, you don't have to know to trade. It does everything for you with risk management. It is very, very good, and I will continue to explain to you how it works. And matter of fact, I'm going to be doing Zoom meetings where I will be teaching you how to use it. Not actually teaching you how to use it, because it just takes 1 minute to plug in and that's it. You don't have to do anything, but basically explaining it for those who don't understand what is a Forex EA, how does it work, is it profitable, and I will also show you some results that we've been collecting as time goes on. Do check out the website also. More information is already available in the website, and to place an order, you can place an order through the website or through the number, the WhatsApp number. Just contact that number. Through Telegram, we are actually available in many platforms, but do make sure that you are talking to our verified contacts. There are many people who are always trying to take a chance out there, and that we can make sure that we give you your robot as soon as possible. And for those who are still waiting for their EAs, as soon as the processing is done, you will get it. I'm sure it's just a few in the list, just a few number of people. Otherwise, we're able to roll out the EAs to as many people as possible. Otherwise, let us go into the charts. I was just checking out opportunities here, and then we are back in gold. This is what happened actually on this previous analysis that we had on the page. Let me just look at the screen, and then it has been good. We are on an hourly time frame. Let me just go back here, and on this week I only had, though there were a lot of opportunities, but I only had two trades on gold that I placed. One was this one that we placed on Monday after the analysis that we did, and the trade was good. Like I said, the analysis were on point. Everything that we analyzed happened. Matter of fact, we missed the initial one. As I said, there's going to be a breakout here. It happened because I said wait for 1 or 2 hours, but the first 3 hours were very strong, and it pushed to that output, and then pushed to that level that you already estimated and analyzed on Sunday when we were doing this, that this how the market will react. So it reacted exactly how we planned. We saw with this move right here. Let me just do this. Yes, we saw with this move right here, so it did exactly what we wanted it to do. But what I did is I waited for the pullback here, and then after that I knew that I saw a couple of rejections, and then I knew that it's going to try again to go for this level, and indeed, and then we were able to collect all the points, and we will be able to be out of the trades. And I did not take trades. I only took trades again on 2 days later, 2-3 days later. I think it was on Wednesday. I just don't remember. Yeah, I think it was on Wednesday, or yes, it was on Wednesday. Yes, I took it on Wednesday, and then we went in, and then I just realized a strong resistance forming here. Yes, you can see a support basically forming around this zone. So what I did is, after the market went up, I decided to trail stop or lock the profits here in case there's a reversal, and indeed it reversed, took us out on profit, minimum profit, went back, and then after that, later on the next day, it continued to drop. But that's what happens in Forex. Otherwise, we did not realize all our profits. We only took a little bit, and I was regretting and thinking, hey, I should have just let it and not touch the trade and just let it run. Otherwise, we are here now. This market is still closed. Let me just do this. Okay, so this is what's happening now. The market is still closed. We are here. We have this zone. You know, those who follow us, I always call these zones of interest. This is a very strong zone of interest that has been profiting us for some time, and we've been using this as our zone of interest and a reference point. You see, from the 8th, the gold market entered into a range. The gold market entered into a range, and we do know that ranges do not last that long when it comes to gold. So there's supposed to be a breakout. So now we are in a situation where we are really, because of the fundamentals that are happening this week, because of everything, the geopolitics, because gold is highly affected by geopolitics that are happening this week. We do not really know 100% where the main direction will be going. So what we are actually looking at is pullbacks and, you know, this movements in lower time frames. That's why I'm not even going to go to a 4-hour time frame. So I'm just going to concentrate on an hourly time frame, because I believe there's going to be a big breakout, but we will have to see, you know, that one we'll have to see. We've been benefiting in this move. So this price here has been a very good support, very good support. You can see here it bounced the market, bounced the market. And remember, we said it's not a line, it's a zone also here. So you do have 2 points to look at, and according to what I see here right now, I see the price going to test this level. It's when the market open, the price is going to test this level. Depending on the power or how it comes onto this level, we are looking at a possible up movement. So we're looking at the price going to test this level here, and then maybe experience another retest to come back here again on this support line, and then possibly push until the zone. And then from here it will depend like on what time it is and what is currently happening in the market. Remember, I said you know, a breakout is looming. Even here you can experience that breakout to the downside. So I always say, let us wait for the first or 2 hours of the market to see when the pricing in of the weekend, and then we'll get the direction. But so once the market passes this price here, once it passes around 1833.71, you better know that it's going to test this level. This level is not such a strong zone. It can bounce it temporarily and the price can come up. So this trade here gives us a nice entry and exit point. But what I usually do is I usually send it in the groups you know, in the early hours. I do send it in the group so that you can have technical information of how, but I like doing that after the first hour or so of the market, because I might put it and then the market, when it opens with a gap and then it invalidates everything. So I will basically do that and send it to you so that you can take advantage of it. If this is broken, if the market comes, you know, and it opens with a downward movement, at the moment I don't think I personally will enter the trade. I don't think, because it does not give me good reference points, but I will just basically gauge when the market opens. It doesn't give me, because you can see here it's there's another zone here, so it can open and then spike, take you down, and then from there go up. So what I am counting on is for the market to go up. When it opens, break this level, test this next level here, maybe a minor retest, and then from even the retest can happen around this zone, and then from there it will push up and then it will get to this level, and from there we will take it from there. So otherwise, I am your boy Xauusd. I go also by the name Alpha Wolf Forex. If you still did not yet subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Because this is what we do. It's on Sunday we drop our analysis, and then on Tuesdays we do educational materials, and on Thursday we do educational materials based on emotional intelligence. Otherwise, please do not forget to get your Forex EA profit machine, which makes money while you sleep. Why am I still on the charts? I did say, I told you in previous videos, I enjoy Forex, I enjoy the markets, even though I do use the EA. I mean, we are here to make money, so why only rely on one thing? That's why I tell you, get signals, do courses. But if you are not into doing courses, if you are not into doing signals, if you really just want to make money and you don't have passion about Forex, or you don't have that passion about analyzing, or you are still learning to trade, rather just get yourself the profit machine and let it make money for you once you are still learning. Otherwise, it is always good to have various streams of income. I will teach about that. I will show you a thing or two of how I managed to stay afloat in different economic conditions because of having different sources of income. Otherwise, I will meet you again, I believe, very soon. And if you are watching us on YouTube right now, I am still with you on this upcoming next video. You are watching Currency Market Execution, your channel with a difference. We are leaders in Forex trading and education. And please do not forget to link up with me on Instagram. I am on Instagram. The link or the account name is right here on the screen. Do link up with me. Let us talk, and I will follow you back. When you follow me on CME page, I will follow you back. You can also follow me on the Proqnosiz page, which I am learning now to just use it, but the CME page is very active, as I took full control of it. Also on Facebook, we are also there. Otherwise, I love you very much. It's always a pleasure, and I thank you for joining us on this channel. Enjoy your day forward. Let us go and make money. Give me feedback about this analysis that we did on the comment section. Let us talk. I like what I see on the comment section. I like it very much if when we keep talking about the markets and keep talking about what we are benefiting from the markets. Otherwise, I am out. I will see you on the next video.